You are about to spend 65,000 rupees on a laptop, and I'm betting you have no idea what you're actually buying. Am I right? Most people don't. They see the specs, panic, and either overpay by thousands or regret their purchase in 6 months. Today I'm breaking this down so simply that even your grandma will understand it. Here's the thing, laptop companies want you confused. More confusion equals more expensive purchases. They throw at you Intel Core i7, RTX graphics, DDR5 RAM, 512 gigabytes SSD, and your brain shuts down. You pick the prettiest one or the cheapest one, and boom, 6 months later, you're furious because it's slow, the battery dies in 2 hours, or it can't even handle what you need it to do. But here's what they don't want you to know. You only need to care about 3 things. 1. Your processor, that's your CPU. Think of it like your car's engine. An i5 or Ryzen 5 will handle 95% of what you do. Don't get an i9 unless you're a professional video editor. It's like buying a Ferrari to go to the grocery store. 2. RAM and storage. 16 gigabytes of RAM and at least 512 gigabytes of SSD storage. Not HDD, SSD. The difference between an SSD and HDD is like the difference between a bullet train and a bicycle. Seriously. 3. Your actual use case. Are you coding, gaming, just browsing and Netflix? That one question changes everything about what you should buy. Here's what most people get wrong. They chase the specs they don't understand instead of asking themselves, what will I actually do with this? Someone buying a $2,000 gaming laptop when they just need to write emails and watch YouTube, that's money you'll never get back. But someone buying a cheap $400 laptop for video work, that's a nightmare waiting to happen. The $700 laptop that's right for you will make you happier than a $2,000 laptop that's overkill. So here's my question for you. What's your use case? Are you a student, a gamer, a creator, or just a casual user? Drop it in the comments below. And if this helped you avoid dropping $2,000 on a laptop you didn't need, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving breakdowns like this one. See you in the next video.